Huge thunderstorm rolling in.
We know what that cloud looks like. We know what it does. We're getting out of here.
So,
Wake to wake!
back to back!
Back to back! Let's go. Not a bad place to test out some new gear then with some of my favorite peeps in the world. Back with the Wake to Wake crew.
Yes, sir. Hey, this is Mark.
I just thought.
I need to do this in slow-mo.
And you can do that. You can shake your hair all day, but you can't do this.
Gonna be shooting a couple reels for Wake to Wake as well as mission boat gear. We're gonna set up some mats, a whole bunch of equipment. I'll try to document some of the behind the scenes and yeah, create some fun little, pretty basic reels. Probably just shoot with the GoPro and the mouth mounts and get the drone up in the air. Keep it simple. The aesthetics are just ridiculous here. But you look at that.
Would you look at that water?
Just look at it. It's fantastic.
It's so beautiful. It's so blue.
Aesthetics.
Whoa, hold on. I work out.
Oh, I think that, there we go. Oh my god, so close. Oh.
Push, guys!
I'm trying.
Bye, sorry.
Guys, do something cool.
Stay there. Ready? Doing yoga.
What a shit show.
You're like right behind Zoe. So when I spray, like the water will hit you and you see Mission and Zoe.
Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna be just, okay. Shut up. Alright, send it. Holy shit.
Yo, sorry Rick, I got a headshot on you.
Let's go. Oh. Ooh, it is chilly.
Feel good, eh?
Yeah, nice. Huge thunderstorm rolling in. Just had to pack up everything.
Yeah, dude!
Getting the hell out of here.
Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old. Still can't fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow.
We just got rained out. I feel like the trip has been an insane success.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love?